Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a tough but vital topic, overcoming a breakup. It's a fact of life that we all encounter challenging times, and learning how to handle these situations can be a key part of our personal growth. Breakups can be painful, confusing, and can often leave us feeling lost. But fear not. We're here to guide you through this journey, offering actionable advice and support. So if you're going through a breakup or know someone who is, this video is for you. Breakups can bring about an emotional roller coaster. From sadness to anger, it's crucial to allow ourselves to feel these emotions and process them healthily. Feelings are not our enemy. They are signals of the inner workings of our mind and heart. They serve as indicators, helping us understand what we're going through. Now, you may wonder, how do we process our emotions healthily? Well, the first step is to acknowledge them. It's important not to suppress what you're feeling. It's okay to feel sad, it's okay to feel angry, and it's okay to feel confused. These are all natural responses to a significant life change. Once you've acknowledged your emotions, the next step is to express them. And how you do that is entirely up to you. It could be through writing in a journal, creating art, or even through physical activities like running or dancing. The goal is to provide an outlet for your feelings, a way to let them out and not let them bottle up inside. But remember, while it's important to express your feelings, it's equally important not to dwell on them. It's a delicate balance, acknowledging and expressing your emotions without letting them consume you. Now let's talk about support. During these tough times, reaching out to trusted friends or a therapist can be incredibly beneficial. Sometimes, we just need someone to listen, to validate our feelings, and remind us that we're not alone. And that's okay. It's okay to seek help, to lean on others when we're feeling down. Therapy, in particular, can provide a safe space to explore your feelings and learn coping strategies. It can help you process your emotions and navigate your way through this challenging period. Remember, it's perfectly okay to cry or express your pain. It's a natural part of the healing process. The key is not to rush yourself. Healing takes time, and it's different for everyone. So be patient with yourself. Give yourself the grace and space to heal at your own pace. The journey may be tough, but you're tougher. You're not alone in this, and you have the strength to overcome. Accepting the end of the relationship can be one of the most challenging steps. There's a certain weight that comes with this acknowledgement. It's like standing at the edge of a cliff, staring into an unknown future. But remember, it's okay to feel lost. It's okay to feel uncertain. This is where your path towards healing truly begins. To move forward, we must first make peace with the past. This starts with acknowledging the situation for what it is. Not sugarcoating it, not denying it, but seeing it in its raw, unfiltered reality. It's about coming to terms with the fact that the relationship has ended and understanding that it's okay to feel the pain that comes with this realization. Next comes forgiveness. It's a word that's easier said than done, but it's an essential step in this journey. Forgiving yourself and the other person doesn't mean forgetting or excusing what happened. It means letting go of the resentment and the hurt that's been holding you back. It's about releasing the negative energy that's been weighing you down and making room for healing and growth. Finally, it's crucial to view this experience not as a setback, but as a growth opportunity. Every experience, good or bad, comes with its own set of lessons. It's about taking these lessons and using them to grow and evolve. It's about understanding that even though this chapter has ended, your story is far from over. It's essential to remember that your worth is not defined by the end of a relationship. You are still the same amazing, unique individual you were before, and now you're even stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Acceptance is not a destination, but a journey. It's a process that takes time, patience, and a lot of self-love. But with each step, you'll find yourself moving closer to peace, closer to healing, and closer to a stronger, more confident you. Remember, this experience can be an opportunity to grow and learn more about yourself. So embrace it, learn from it, And most importantly, keep moving forward, because the best is yet to come. Breakups can impact our self-esteem and sense of identity. It's as if a part of who we were is now missing. However, it's important to remember that this is merely a temporary feeling and not a reflection of our true selves. During this period of change, it can be easy to lose sight of who we are. We might even start to question our worth. But it's crucial to remember that your value does not decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. You are still the same person you were before the breakup, complete with all your unique qualities, talents, and abilities. Now is the perfect time to rediscover who you are outside of the relationship. What are your interests? What are your passions? What makes you, you? Take this opportunity to explore these aspects of yourself. Engage in activities that you love, or try out new ones that you've always been curious about. Rekindle old friendships or forge new ones. Surround yourself with people who appreciate and value you for who you are. This will not only help in rebuilding your self-esteem, but also provide a supportive environment for you to heal and grow. And as you rediscover yourself, work on strengthening your self-esteem. Remember, self-esteem comes from within. No one can give it to you. It's about recognizing your worth and believing in yourself. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Celebrate your small victories. All of these can help to improve your self-esteem. It's also important to be patient with yourself. Healing takes time, and rebuilding your self-esteem is not an overnight process. But with each passing day, you're becoming stronger and more resilient. Always remember that you are a valuable person worthy of love, regardless of your relationship status. You are more than the sum of your past relationships. You are unique. You are important. You are deserving of love and happiness. And most importantly, you are enough just as you are. Stress and anxiety can be additional challenges during this period. These feelings can be overwhelming, but remember, it's okay to feel this way. You are not alone. And there are ways to manage these feelings effectively. Let's start with relaxation techniques. Deep breathing is a powerful tool that can help calm your mind and body. Try inhaling deeply through your nose, hold your breath for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this process until you feel your tension melting away. Meditation is another effective way to manage stress and anxiety. Even just a few minutes of quiet contemplation each day can make a significant difference. You can use guided meditation apps or simply focus on your breath and the sensations in your body. The key is to be present in the moment and let go of any worry or fear. Yoga combines physical movement with mindfulness and controlled breathing, making it an excellent stress reliever. There are countless yoga poses and routines available online that cater to all levels of experience. So whether you're a seasoned yogi or a beginner, there's something for you. Of course, relaxation techniques are just one part of the puzzle. Maintaining your physical health is equally important. When we're under stress, it's easy to neglect our bodies. But remember, a healthy body contributes to a healthy mind. A balanced diet is essential. Aim to consume a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods not only nourish your body, but also help regulate your mood and energy levels. Regular exercise can also help reduce stress and anxiety. It doesn't have to be a strenuous workout. Simply going for a walk, dancing to your favorite music, or any other physical activity you enjoy can do wonders. Lastly, don't forget the importance of adequate rest. Make sure you're getting enough sleep each night and take time to relax during the day. Remember, it's okay to take a break when you need it. Remember to take care of your physical health with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate rest. Learning to cope with the breakup healthily is crucial for our emotional recovery. Developing coping skills isn't about suppressing the pain or trying to forget what happened. It's about understanding our emotions, accepting them, and finding healthy ways to express and manage them. Let's start with identifying and challenging negative thoughts. Often, after a breakup, our minds can become a battleground of negative self-talk. Phrases like, "I'll never find love again," or "I wasn't good enough" can start to dominate. However, it's crucial to remember that these thoughts don't represent reality. They are just thoughts, and we can challenge them. Whenever you catch yourself thinking negatively, try to replace it with a positive or neutral thought. For instance, instead of saying, "I'll never find love again," you might say, "I am open to finding love again when the time is right." Next, let's talk about boundaries. Establishing healthy boundaries after a breakup can be immensely helpful. This could mean limiting contact with your ex-partner or deciding not to engage in conversations about your past relationship. Remember, you have the right to protect your emotional space, and establishing boundaries is a way of taking care of yourself. Lastly, consider practicing daily gratitude. It might sound cliché, but focusing on what you are thankful for can help shift your perspective and foster positivity. This doesn't mean you have to ignore the pain you're feeling. It's about balancing the acknowledgement of your pain with an appreciation for the good things in your life. It can be as simple as writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day: a friendly conversation, a delicious meal, or even the sunshine outside. Developing these coping skills can be a journey, and it's okay if it takes time. Be patient with yourself, and remember that healing is not linear. Some days might be harder than others, and that's okay. Remember, each day is an opportunity to grow and move towards a fuller, happier life. While a breakup may seem like the end of a chapter, it can also be the beginning of new opportunities and personal growth. It's natural to mourn the loss of a relationship, but it's also important to realize that this change can open up doors you may not have even known existed. Think about it. You now have a chance to explore new interests that you may have put on the back burner. Maybe you've always wanted to learn how to play the guitar, or perhaps you've been curious about photography. Now is the perfect time to dive into those hobbies and passions. You might even discover a talent you never knew you had. Setting exciting goals is another way to navigate through this transition. Have you always dreamt of running a marathon? Or maybe you've been toying with the idea of going back to school. Why not make these dreams a reality? Goals give us something to strive towards. They keep us motivated and focused, and achieving them can provide a tremendous sense of accomplishment and self-worth. And let's not forget about the possibility of new connections. Meeting new people can be a wonderful way to broaden your horizons and gain different perspectives. These connections don't necessarily have to be romantic. They can be friendships, mentorships, or professional relationships. Each new person you meet is a potential door to a new experience, a new story, or a new adventure. Remember, it's okay to take things slowly. There's no rush. Take the time you need to heal and grow. But also remember that every end is a new beginning, and with it comes the chance for new opportunities. Embrace the changes, lean into the discomfort, and let yourself be open to whatever comes next. Life is full of possibilities, so keep an open mind and a willing heart. In summary, overcoming a breakup can be a challenging but rewarding process. We've talked about the importance of handling emotional pain, acknowledging and accepting the end of a relationship, reassessing our identity and self-esteem, managing stress and anxiety, developing coping skills, and exploring new opportunities. Every step, every tear, every smile is a part of your journey to personal growth. By allowing ourselves to feel our emotions, accepting the situation, and working on our personal growth, we can find strength and resilience.